Hey Mecha fans, welcome back for another preview. This time we will be looking at the AMX004. Definitely this is a Qbely rendition of Yaya G model. The quality of this model kit is actually on par or much better than any RG released by Bandai. This model offers finger articulation and an opening cockpit gimmick. I'm not sure if they're going to add or include a pilot figure that will fit inside the cockpit itself. And this boasts an actual eye tracking mechanism along with the deluxe edition extra parts for this actual model kit. We also get knee sliding mechanism gimmicks like we normally get from a premium master grade. I would recommend getting the pre-order items because after the normal release, this will not be offered anymore. The deluxe versions comes with a 1/6 action figure of Haman Karn, the pilot of the actual mobile suit. This is made with soft silicone material and will include 3 expressive faces. And the scale is not really that far from the original 1:144 HG model kit. Hope you like the video, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.